Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevy Tahoe LTZ. This one's black. Underneath it's a 5.3 V8 with Ecotech, pushing out 355 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 22-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. On the side, we've got Tahoe badging. Black leather interior, sunroof. Rear seat entertainment, rear heated seats, third row seating, LTZ badging on the side, coming around back, Tahoe badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, coming alongside, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, memory seats, Bose sound system, power seats, heads-up display, steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, power and USB outlet, cup holders, wireless charging. This Tahoe has 96,837 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Tahoe, check out feldmanimports.com.